Hey everyone, what's up? It's your girl Ashley, and today we are doing this orange to blue eyeshadow look. I have never done an eyeshadow look this bold before, so I am really excited about how this turned out. I asked you guys to comment in my last video where I do the pink makeup look what color you wanted to see next. A lot of people said a fall/orange look. I've already done that a couple times in my video because that's honestly my go-to look. So I thought, why not put a spin on things? Before this, I never ever touched blue eyeshadow minus lining underneath my eyes with it. So to put it on my eyelids, I knew I had to have another color in there, and I had looked around different looks, and the orange or red or yellow beneath the blue was a very popular thing, and I thought, wow, I gotta try this out. So here is my take on that look. Before we get into the video, please make sure to press the subscribe button and give this video a big thumbs up, and let's get to it. Okay, so I already put on my face makeup and my eyebrows, but I have no mascara, no eyeshadow on because that's everything I'm going to show you guys how to do in this video. We're going to be doing a very blue look. So the first thing we're going to do is put on some eyeshadow primer. I'm using the Wet n Wild Photofocus primer. This is a good primer because it has a lightening effect to it, so it makes your eyes look even more blank. This will be good for applying the bold blue shade over it. Concealer works well as well, and even white eyeshadow primer crayon. I believe there's some available from NYX. I haven't used it before, but I know that it is a popular thing. So the first shade we'll be putting is this gorgeous color right here, which is the shade Koi from Colourpop. We're just going to put the shade Koi on the crease and a little bit higher. Next we're going to take orange from MAC. This is a very bright orange. Like, it's crazy. You can use any orange from any brand obviously, but I like this one because it's just such a pure orange and it's very pigmented. So I'm just going to apply that to the crease. When it comes to bold colors, make sure you are blending, because if you don't, it is so noticeable, especially when it's like a blue, orange, red. Just make sure you're blending that as much as you can. So next we're going to take Fuego from the Naked Heat palette and just put that on the outer crease just to have some definition. So to get the most blue eyeshadow on our lids, we'll be pressing it on, and we're going to be using a flat eyeshadow brush. We will be using the color Backstage from Colourpop, so let's do this. So we're only bringing it up to the crease, not above it. That's where we're going to do the blending between the orange and the blue. So now that we have the blue on there, we're going to take our blending brush and put a little bit of blue on it just to blend out that line. Be careful because this can get a little messy. As you can see, it is getting dark right here on the corners of my eyes, which we don't want because that makes me look really tired and kind of old. So I'm gonna have to clean that up later on with some lighter eyeshadow, but for now we'll leave it as is. Okay, so I want to smoke out the ends a little bit, so we're gonna put some black eyeshadow. We're going to be using another Colourpop single shadow. This one is Let's Do It, which is their black, and it is very pigmented. It's pretty pure black. So we're going to put this on the outer corners. Like I said in my last video, the trick with very bold looks is to be very gentle and be very careful. Don't apply too much at one time. It's better to apply a little and build it up versus applying too much and not being able to fix it without having to wipe it off and start over. So we're going to add some shimmers to this look because I just feel like it's going to look a lot more glamorous. We're going to be using the Urban Decay Heavy Metals palette. And this one has 2 blue shades. So we're going to use Dive, which is this blue shade right here. I'll put it right here. Oh. So we're just going to take our flat brush again and use it on Dive. As you can see, it looks way better with the shimmer. And just because there is a black shimmer shade in this palette as well, we're going to add the black shimmer to the black part of the eye makeup. Okay, so I'm just going to fix the dark parts right here in between my eyes that make it look like I have dark circles. I'm just going to do that by applying this cream shade right here, and we're going to put a light shimmer over it as a highlight. But first, to lighten it up so that the highlight shows up, I'm going to put that light base shade. So for the Heavy Metals palette, we're just going to take some Made In, this color right here, and put it on the inner corners. This might be one of those looks that are better to be done first and then the face makeup because you can clean up any fallout and blue streaks afterwards, but live and learn. Okay, so we're almost done the eyeshadow. Next, we're going to take some more of that Made In shade right here and apply it to our brow bone. So now I'm just going to wing out the eyeliner on my eyelids. I'm going to do it pretty dramatically because this look just screams drama. So now we're going to take a flat eyeshadow brush and line below the eyes before we put on the fake eyelashes. So we're just going to take some of that orange shade and line underneath the eyes. So now we're going to take some of that matte blue shade and also line under the eyes with it. Then we're going to take some blue eyeliner and line our waterline with it. Now it's time for some eyelashes. I have these eyelashes by Kiss. They are the Look So Natural Kiss lashes in Flirty. So we're going to put these on. Okay, so I put on the eyelashes and put some mascara on to blend them in. And this is the final look. Actually, wait, I just need to put some lipstick on. And this is the final look. Thank you so much for watching my tutorial on this blue and orange eye look. I hope that you guys enjoyed it. If you recreate this look, please tag me in the photo. I would love to see your take on it. If you liked the video, please give it a big thumbs up and make sure to click that subscribe button down below. And I'll see you in my next video. Bye!